afternoon, or evening, depending where you're at in the world today. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. I'm a little under the weather right now, but I got a couple of packages here that I'd like to see if I can get open. Um, One of them is from a really cool guy. You guys know him from making this beautiful cutaway. That's Steve Holder. Steve, hope you're doing well. And like I told you, brother, as soon as I'm a little better, I will get this package out to you. This is another one. This is a simple one. This is I forgot who it's from. I crossed it out too. Never mind, I got a thing. It's by LOCKPICKING CUBER. I won his giveaway, and it's a puzzle. But my main concern right now is Steve's package. So let's see what we got in there. If it's quick, I'll open this other one. All right, let me see where I start. Let's start here. Works for me. All right. We'll just take it as we have it here. And get this stuff out of the way. Trash out of the way. Let's just pull them out and see what we got. I know that Steve doesn't have a lot. He'd really have to send me this. I just wanted to help him out in some locks that I told him I would. And he sent this package to me. So, again, thank you, Steve. Okay, that's pretty cool. This is an American 1100, I believe. No? Yeah, it is 1100. Nice, very nice. They got nice bidding on the key. It almost looks like a handmade key, but it's not. Excellent bidding. This should be a really fun pick. Very, very cool. Very cool. Okay, on to the next. What do we got here? This looks like a beauty. This is Lady Locks. I spoke to Steve, and I also spoke to Lady Locks. This is our first challenge lock. Very curious to see what's going on in it, and I will be picking that on camera if I can. Let's put that there. We are packed. Okay, that's just a packing slip. Another packing. I'll have to double another packing. I'm trying to get in there. It's tough. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Nice. Oh, it's a nice master lock. What series is this? Number 532. This is a really nice master lock. Bidding is not too bad either. Oh, I didn't know if I had that in camera. Very, 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 very nice. Very pleased with that. That'll be another one. It's just a stock lock, but hey. Alright. Let's see what we got in this one. This is taped pretty darn good. It's got to be the world's dullest razor blade. Okay. Alright, this is a master. I don't know what the number, 279 is on it. It's a series. God, I'm not even in the camera. I'm trying to make it out as I look. Glares too much. 6835, 6035. You guys got that? The bidding on the key. Nice bidding. Excellent. Excellent package. Steve, I'm real impressed. Wait. Last one. Let me get this out of here. Don't want to make... Get that. I'll check all the paperwork, make sure I didn't drop anything. Let's see what we got in this last one. Alright. Lockout lock. This is master. Don't know. Safety lock. It is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pinner. All right. Very, very cool, Steve. Thank you very, very much. I do appreciate that. Did you guys want to see that puzzle lock? I don't know where I threw it here. This should be a quick one. I gotta stop entering contests where I really don't need things. Hang on one second. I'm sure you've seen this giveaway. I'm gonna probably just give away. I think this is a safe cracker. I'm gonna leave it in the box. I'm gonna throw it in there for a giveaway to somebody. Because I just probably too busy for it. I'm not very good at combination locks right now. If I was better in math, I'd probably be doing better on picking. So that's that, and I really appreciate that too. Thank you. All right, that's what I got for you. That's what I did. I showed you my package. Steve, stand by. I'll do my best to get it out as quickly as I can. I do have some packages coming in. I just wanted to make one trip to the post office, so I hope you understand. All right, don't put your pictures in anyone else's locks unless you have explicit permission, and hit that like and subscribe button, okay?
That was easy.
And tell Mr. Easy he's cool. I'll see you.